In the remote highlands of Papua New Guinea, a hidden world of human life was brought to light in the 1930s by Australian gold prospectors. They uncovered a population of nearly 1 million people, but it wasn't until the 1950s that the sinister shadow of a mysterious illness called Kuru began to emerge among the Fore tribe. This tribe, consisting of about 11,000 individuals, was plagued by a disease that claimed the lives of up to 200 people annually, eliciting widespread alarm. The disease's name, Kuru, means shivering or trembling, a fitting description of its harrowing symptoms. As Kuru took hold, victims first experienced difficulty walking, a precursor to the complete loss of limb control. Their emotional stability deteriorated, earning the affliction the grim moniker of the Laughing Death. Within a year, sufferers became entirely incapacitated, unable to rise from the floor, feed themselves, or manage bodily functions. The Fore believed sorcery was to blame, as the disease disproportionately affected women and young children. Entire villages were sometimes left bereft of young women, creating a demographic crisis. Medical anthropologist Shirley Lindenbaum from the City University of New York touched down in the 1960s to unravel this deadly enigma. Initial research efforts, which considered a genetic origin for the disease, soon proved fruitless. Lindenbaum meticulously charted family trees across various villages, dismantling the genetic theory by revealing that Kuru afflicted specific social groups rather than consistent genetic lines. Her findings indicated that the disease's spread followed a geographical pattern, originating in northern villages around the early 20th century and gradually advancing southward. Lindenbaum harbored a theory that would finally solve the Kuru puzzle. Her investigations led her to the mortuary practices of the Fore people, particularly their custom of consuming deceased loved ones during funerals. This ritual, viewed as an act of compassion and mourning, was deeply rooted in their culture. Their belief held that it was more honorable for a body to be consumed by kin, rather than by worms or maggots. Researchers discovered that this practice was indeed the vector for Kuru. With this revelation, scientists, including those at the U.C. National Institutes of Health, conducted a series of experiments that cemented the link between the funeral feasts and the illness. Human brains infected with Kuru were injected into chimpanzees, who subsequently manifested symptoms identical to those seen in the Fore. This breakthrough conclusively pinpointed the cause of the disease.